Right, morning again everyone. So I've got this Roberts radio. I've just plugged it in. I got it off eBay. Spares or repairs. The listing said it works fine, but there's no sound coming out of it. So there's my speakers. No sound coming out of them. What I will do, I will undo them first. Just make sure my speakers are working. It's a bit unusual that both speakers would go at the same time. Anyway, what mode are we on? Let's have a look. Let's get it on FM. See if that makes any difference. Tune it into radio 2. Oh, no, let's just... I forgot how to work these. Right, so it's tuning stations, but we're just not getting any sound through it. Let's see if I've got anything through the headphones. So before I start stripping it down, headphone jack, auxiliary line out, headphones. Right. That plugs in, but that doesn't go in. So looking at that, looking right down there, you probably won't see it on camera, to be fair. But whoever's had this in the past has had an headphone jack, they put it in, and it just snaps off inside. So the radio thinks there's headphones connected to it, but obviously there isn't. Right, let's have a... Let's unplug it, have a look. Right, I think the first thing I need to do is undo all these screws. Same size. Oh, we're in. Right, let's have a look. Right, let's put them there, them there. Right. Let's get rid of the radio, the aerial. Right, that's just that. And this back speaker, let's get rid of that. And should be free. Right, so that's the front and the back separated. Right, I need to get this off here, don't I? Oh, brilliant. So this black piece here, that shroud going across everything, that's screwed through the circuit board. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So I've got 6 screws holding that in, so I need to get that circuit board out. How do I take it? Right. So it's fixed. Now look. Right. So the whole lot is only held in this case, as far as I can see, by 1 screw here. Take that out, that's got its own washer on it. You're joking, is that it? Right, that's the case off. Put that to one side. Beautiful. Right, so you can see now them screws. That one about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. take that off. With them sort of areas, I've got to get a pair of pliers on them at least. Right, I'm off there. Why ain't that coming off? Oh yeah, of course, there's something holding that on there. Perfect, yeah, lovely. Right, so at the minute, I've got this post. Where is it? Got this post here. Stopping that from coming off. All this lot's free. It's just here, where that post is. Right, where's that? Oh well then. It's that heat sink. Some screws holding that on. Assuming it's a heat sink. So right, so why is that? Oh, yeah. Perfect, we're off. So that bit of plastic's off. That can go there. Ah, right, okay. Now then, let's have a look at that on the microscope. Microscope in. So that's my connector there that the headphones go into. Let's see what I can see down there. Oh God. Oh. Right, it's well and truly jammed and broke and mangled in there. That'd be nice, like if I can just pick that out of there. There's no chance. Right. Don't know how I'm going to do that now. I can just... It's loose. And that's still in, isn't it? Right. If... Do it. Oh shit, where's they come from now? Just had them two coming out somewhere. Ah, okay. I think they go under there. Yes, they do. Yeah, they do. Yeah, right, okay. So they're for under that heat sink. I'm saying it's an heat sink, I don't know. I think it is, to be fair. Right. So what I need now, my mission now is... Let's get rid of that. So, I've had my microscope under it. I've had a look right into there. And it is loose. It is loose. But the problem being, I can't actually grip onto it. So it'd be nice if I can take that back piece off there. Hang on a second. Hang on. I bought for another Roberts radio that I've got. so I need to get that out of there, really. So I did buy some jacks for another Roberts radio that I've got, and I thought they might be the same, but they're not. Right, so let me have a look. Right, let me zoom in there. Yeah, it's right in there, the broken bit. So I can either, what I need to do is get this to be taking that off. Not much job that does. Let me snip this cable tie off. Snip this cable tie off. Three, yeah, that's fine. Right, that takes that off from that circuit board. Let's snip this. Sorry, let me zoom back out again. Right, let's snip this off as well. This one. Any more? No. Right. Let's pull that out. Let's just mark. Better still, let me just take a picture of that. All these connectors. Yeah. Okay, let's start. That's off there. That's out there, out there, out there. I think I'm going to have to get that. Excuse me a minute. There you go. I think I'm going to have to unsolder that off of there. Where does that go now? Let's take the speakers out. The only thing holding that in now is that, isn't it? So, let's take that off. Let me turn my heat up a bit on here. I'm only on 320, let's get up to 400. There we go. There we go. Right, is that free from there now? Yep, so we're free from there. Right, so I'll give myself a lot of room. There we go, so we're just left with this now. Right, let me try and figure a way how to get this out, and I'll be back. Right, so what I'm proposing to do here is, hang on, let me see if I can get on board. Yeah, so this bit here, I'm trying to lift, that's the ear jack, earphone jack. I'm trying to lift this cover off the back of it. Let's see if I can get it under the microscope and in shot. I think I can. Right, so if I can lift that off of there. Oops. No. That hasn't done me any favours, has it? Really? And it just pinged off. Oh, God. Right. I guess I can just fill this with a bit of hot snot when I've not, can I? Let me put that in there. I guess. That's nice and loose in there. Just need whatever that is there, is stopping it coming out. Whatever that is there is stopping it coming out. Right, I'm struggling with this one now. Zoom in and have a look. That there. So where does that correlate to? Excuse the bad. Let me come back out a bit. So there's a piece in there. There's a piece inside there. Let's have a look. What is I've got like a plastic piece, and it comes out. And I'm assuming, where's me? Yeah. So it's like a plastic piece, and I'm assuming that when you put it in, it moves out. So as you're inserting that, it moves out this plastic piece. Yeah. And then it rests in there. So what's it do? What's happening is, it's only plastic. So as we're put, I think it's snapped about here, me. I think it's snapped about there inside. So we need to get that plastic piece out because it's quite a bit of tension on there. So I can open that plastic piece, and I'm hoping that'll just come out. But it's a matter of opening that plastic piece and getting it upside down as well. All in the same time. And then you've got see, I can't get behind it. Let me see how far it goes in. There. So that's where it goes in there. That's what I need. It'd be nice if I can take this top off. can take that top off of there. Look out. Pain in the arse, this. Right, give me a bit more time, let me have a look. So, what I decided to do, get the spare soldering iron. See if I can just melt a little hole in here, open it up with my drill, and then see if I can just push it out. I think that'll be the best bet. It all depends what's behind here. Right, just done a little bit there. Let me open that up a little bit. Just don't want to be messing anything up. There you go, that's gone to a brass. It's gone to some brass in there, isn't it? Right, that's something brass in there. Let me try again. Just sorry for all this, I'm just trying to drill. Just hope I'm not damaging it. If I'm damaging it, let's have it right. Just buy a new one, can't I? But I'd rather not. I'd rather get it out the way it is now. Let me clean that up a little bit. Let me see if I'm actually touching. Yes, I think. Not coming out. I think I'm on there actually. Let me just do it again. Let me see if that moves. What I'm going to do, let's see if my right, let's try it with a microscope. I think I'm recording on the microscope too. Yes, done it, I think. Very hard to because I don't know what's in here. Let's see if I can push that back down. It should come out of there now, shouldn't it? There's the end of it there. Let's see if that ain't gonna win. We get these. See if these will go in a little bit better. Yeah, right, so I need is that pin. It's just a fine balance now, I think, between what I need to do. Oh God. That needs to be pushed down, that pin. He's pushing down as that is being pushed out. Let me see if I've got drill bit. No. Where does that go to now? So that's pushed in. Just can't see where that went. Not that one, Rick. That one. It's so close now. I could just grab it, but I can't. Like it's gone. Right. I'm going to mount it a little bit further up now. I mean, I might be totally butchering this. Oh God, that's so close to coming out. Right. Oh, I can get it. There, got it. Got it. Yes, right. So, put my drills away. That's what I've got to do now. God, for that, just put it all back. Just get these out. Put it all back together, wire it all up, see if I've got any sound. Let's do that. Right, so all for the sake of that, let's put that bad boy there, let's wire it all back up again and then just test it before I put it back together. It's a bit of a pain to put back together. Ish. Right, don't think I need. I'll do that after. Right, that boy goes in there. That goes in there, I think. Other way. Right, let's get that out of the way. No, that doesn't go there, Mick. That goes in there. Zoom out a bit. No. Right. That goes in there. Yeah. And then all this lot. Oh, that could be there actually, couldn't it? Yeah, that goes in there. That in there, that in there, that in there. I'm hoping, yeah, that one gets power going up to the screen. That went in there. Speakers, where's my speakers, Michael? Speaker cables. I'll have a better idea when it's all back together. Just to where everything goes. That's the back speaker, which I'm not bothered about just yet. What I will do, I'll screw that. So I'll be turning it over and turning it up and what have you. I'm on the assumption that it's going to work actually, aren't I? I've got every faith in that now, unless I've really damaged something. Let me just screw that in there. Oops, let me get rid of these. Right, where's all them screws now for them two? And I'll put them bad boys. No, that's for that, so it's not. Let's put that back over there, switch it off. Yeah, we've done well. Right, I've mislaid them and then I've mislaid them. I haven't lost them, I've just mislaid them. Right. I think. I don't know if that's got a. I'll put it in anyway. Well, run out of memory there on my card, so let's sort something out. Right, I've just found one of these, so I'm just going to put that in there for the time being. And then plug it in, try it. I've only got one of the speakers, I haven't got the aerial connected or anything. I've just got both front speakers working. Let's plug it in, see what happens. Turn that light off. There we go. Always takes a while to boot up. Just get hold of me. Come on, today will do. Clock's on. Oh my god, yes. Perfect. Right, brilliant. Let's get radio 2 for a second.
Who plays Henry was just phenomenal.
Right, I'm happy at that. So I'm going to put all that together and I'll show it when it's done. I forgot, before I do, I'm just going to plug the headphones back in and see if they're working on headphones. So, still on. Got my left one in, that's working. Got my right one in, that's working. Headphones. Right, they're all working on headphones, so I can now put it back together. Right, so I've just finished putting it back together. Dead easy putting it back together. So simple. I don't know why I'm putting that in there. Right, let's switch it back on again. Put the speaker bezel back. So it goes to there. Can't speak this morning. It just goes to show then that something with no sound could be something as easy.
So it's the wrong
There we go.
It's not an embarrassing guess.
Mode. What we are on FM. Yeah. Let's have a look at internet radio. Let's see what that comes up with. I'm sure I'm connected to my network. Let's have a see. Yeah, good radios these actually. I do like them. Nice sound from them. Plenty of features. Yeah, so we're alright. I'm not gonna go through that. I just want to try the sound.
Mike, congratulations on the marathon.
All I could hear was,
Yeah, so
I'm going to have it.
Mike, this is a race I had no idea.
we're right there. That's fine. DAB is quite hit and miss around here, but we'll give it a go. Let's turn that down. Let's get on BBC. Right, yeah, so all back and working. So it just goes to show really, if you're getting a radio and there's no sound, just plug your headphones in. If they don't go in, you know there's something stuck there. Either replace the port or do what I've done, try and fish it out.